in order to use polynomial long division, we're going to set it up so that the x minus 6 is on the outside, and underneath, with placeholders wherever we need them, so it should be in descending order of power, and you need a placeholder for wherever you're missing a term. We're going to look at how many times the x minus 6 goes into the first two terms, but what we're really looking at is where the x goes into the 3x to the third. So x goes into 3x to the third 3x squared times. And when I multiply, that's going to give me 3x to the third minus 18x squared. We're always subtracting, so the first terms cancel. And negative 2x squared minus a negative 18 means plus 18. So that's actually going to give me a positive 16x squared. And I bring down the positive x. Now we're looking how many times does x, basically again x, go into the first term here. And that's going to be 16x times. So a positive 16x times. Now when we multiply, that's going to give us a 16x squared. And then 16 times that negative 6 is going to give us a negative 96x. Again, we subtract. Subtracting a negative is the same thing as adding, so that's going to give us a positive 97x. We bring down that negative 5. And then the x goes into the 97x, a positive 97 times. When I multiply, I'm going to get 97x, which is going to give us a negative 192. When I subtract, the 97x cancels. Negative 5 minus a negative 192 means plus. So that's going to give me a positive 187. That's my remainder. So that means that x minus 6 is not a factor of 3x to the third minus 2x squared plus x minus 5 because it's not evenly divisible.